What's up guys, hope you're doing well. Today we'll have a look into the Kaspa price chart. We had some very nice upward moves today, more than plus 8%, and right now of course we want to know what will happen next, what price targets are we looking at. So let's dive straight into this. So if you didn't saw my last video about Kaspa, then quickly summarized here, we had a couple of days ago this breakout here with the daily candle above this resistance zone right here. That has activated our first price target, this one right here at, yeah, let's say 0.125, pretty close to that. And then also we have done a little retest and a very strong move, almost hit the price target, but we not hit it yet. And that is why I first want to say that this price target is still active and we are still aiming for this price till the 21st of August. So that is when the time window expires. The middle of the rectangle, you know that very often the first rectangle will be hit in the first half of the rectangle. This is till the 3rd of August. This could be critical, and that is why I think that we are probably aiming here for the second half of the rectangle. And we also, as I said in the beginning, we have a very nice move to the upside right here. But if we are now going into the 1 hour chart, then maybe you can see that right now we are at resistance right here. You can see we have made some wicks above the resistance, but so far we were not able to get a hourly candle close above the resistance level. So that is something on the smaller time frame that we want to see. And if that happens, that would be the first confirmation that we have. And then obviously we want to see that the price goes back above the recent high that we have just made. And to keep a very bullish chart picture, we also want to have, so just in case that if we are going back to the 1 hour chart, so just in case we are moving back down right here, making a new low, to have still a very bullish chart picture, we want that the price is staying above this resistance or the recent breakout level right here. So this is something that I would like to see. Otherwise we are potentially looking at a stronger correction and also longer correction, and then also potentially we will not be aiming for this price target right here. Currently this is just speculation, so I don't want to go too deep into this. So right now you know that on the 1 hour chart we are looking at this resistance level right here. So we want to have some confirmation. Then also of course in the daily chart we want to go above the recent high, hitting this target. And if we are hitting this target, then there is the real thing or the real interesting thing, because if we are hitting this price target and we are making a daily candle close above this, this would activate our new price target. Let's put that on top right here. The time window right now is not really important because I have set it right now to, yeah, in 2 days. So it will probably not hit that in 2 days, but we just want to see where the next price target is. And as you can see, the next price target, let me zoom out a bit. So we have this downward trend right here. We have broken this one in April, but we still have also this downward trend right here. And if we are aiming for the next price target, then we would leave the downward trend, break it to the upside, and that could give us much more momentum to the upside. And that is something that obviously we want to see. But also with this new price target that then we would have, you can also see we have some very strong resistance levels on the way right here. And of course also the downward trend is also resistance. So this could get very interesting. So far also just still speculation. First of all, we want to have our bullish confirmation on the 1 hour chart and then on a daily chart. And then potentially we'll see something very interesting happening. And if anything changes also to the downside, I will update you. I will upload a new video. So make sure to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss this. Also, if you have any questions or if you have any other cryptos you want me to have a look at, feel free to post them in the comments. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.